Hey, my wife was complaining about my system of mowing the lawn. She said it took too long. So I agreed with her. I said, okay, I'll go find something that works a little faster. So I went out and bought this brand new Ego 21-inch cordless lawnmower. This should get the job done. I think she'll be happy with it and I'll be happy with it. So let's unpack it and see what it's like and put it together. I'll start mowing the lawn. I'm going to open up the Ego Power 21-inch cordless lawnmower. Take a look at how it's packed. There's the battery charger. Here's the 56-volt cordless lithium battery. Pull this out and take a look at it. Ego 56-volt lithium battery. That will slide on to the charger. And it comes with two batteries. So this is a two battery kit here with two batteries to go with the charger. So there's another battery. Now we have an attachment that goes on. And then we have the catch bag. And then the lawnmower itself. And that's a good looking lawnmower there. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it down the side and roll it out the back. Okay, I'm going to roll it out the back. Roll it on the lawn. So I'm going to go ahead and release it with the lever, releases it so I can bring it to the up position. So now I'm going to go ahead and extend this to the full extended position. These tabs lock it in place. It's locked in place. Got my grip right here, my throttle right here. It's self-propelled, so it's going to move itself. And I'm ready to put the battery on. Okay, this is a two battery setup. So we'll pop open the front of the lawnmower and we'll insert one up front, snap in place, and the other one will go in back, snap in place, close it up, and we're good to start mowing.